Hi, this is Helena with practicalproductreviews.blogspot.com, and what I've got here is a Stanley 4-in-1 screwdriver that is in the form of a pen, or like a pen, but it also has magnetic bits. Now, I am new to product reviews, and what happened is I purchased a bunch of products just to give you products that I would use in the real world and real life. And I hope to give you reviews of these products that are practical and also with practical reviews of how they're used rather than a bunch of technical jargon like I can't stand to see on a lot of Amazon reviews in particular. So what I've got to do is figure out how to assemble this thing here. Now that should not take long at all, except for I have to use one hand because I'm holding my phone with my other. Again, I'm a newbie, so I don't have the whole setup yet. Okay, so I'm taking it out of its case. I'm probably going to have to fast forward. Okay, so we've got it out of its case. Now I've got to figure out how to get the bits in here. And that shouldn't be so much of a problem, except I only have one hand to use. And I'm figuring this out as I go. Because at the same time, this is also an unboxing review. Alright, so I kind of got a little bit of a stable thing on my phone. Ah, alright, so it just pulls out like that. Now for the bits, I'm going to get those out. Okay, so what next? I'm curious if this pops out too. Yes, it does. So it looks like I can store my bits on either side, and I can. That is awesome. So what I've got right here now is my Stanley screwdriver with a bit on each end. That's a flat head, and that's a Phillips head. Now to take a closer look at the bits, I just pop them out, just like that, and I'm doing this with one hand. And there is a smaller Phillips head on this side compared to the one we see here. Now I'm guessing if I pop this out, again, one finger, yep, we also find a Phillips head that's a little bigger. Now I'm gonna put this right back in here. Okay, got it. Now I wonder if I have anything that I can test the magnetism on. Oh, yep, look at that. Picking it up beautifully. I mean, considering it's a drill bit, it's like heavier than the pen. So I'm assuming that I'll have no problem with small nails and things like that. Now what I'm also curious about though is if I pop this right back in here, again, one-handed magic, the convenience of storing this. Now when I was putting this in, at the same time I had this at the other end. There we go. And I am going to put this in here and see if I'm going to have storage for this. That is perfect. Oh, I love that. Okay, so now I can put it in my shirt pocket if I need to, which I probably won't be doing. But either way, it's a pretty neat, convenient thing because I can also hang it off on my refrigerator and a little thing I have there. Now, it works, so I like it a lot. I hope that you found this review to be helpful, and you can also see in there, by the way, the bits, so you know, is it on flathead or is it on Phillips? I don't know if the quality of this video is good enough to see that, but That's an awesome device. So I'm impressed. I hope that you are impressed with this review as far as finding it useful and practical. And if so, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up on the Amazon site, where my username is Bloom, Bleaum, as well as here. And again, all the information, the product link, and so on and so forth is below. But this is the Stanley 4-in-1 screwdriver, interchangeable with magnetic bits. Thank you.